Labor shortage due to COVID has hurt us pretty bad. We're also starting to see an increase in fabrication companies moving here to the southeast, so therefore the market share of labor is pretty tight at the moment.
10, 15 years ago, welders were a lot easier to get, and labor was cheaper back then.
We were having a labor shortage in welders. When we looked at robots, we could not employ enough welders in this area. There's a labor shortage for welders in central Kansas.
Coming out of the COVID years, most people probably recognize that there was a major supply chain shortage.
We were looking for something simple, easy programming, something that you wouldn't have to have a multi-year experienced robotic technician to operate. That's what led us to the Cobot.
Fortunately, Cobots was something we could acquire. They were available, we could bring them in and continue growth, where if I had to focus on traditional robots, I'm looking at lead times that are over a year to be able to get one in. It was kind of a no-brainer considering the pandemic and then the supply chain shortage. These were available and the guys adapted real well to them.
We were looking for a piece of equipment that was quick change, easy to program, and we could use unskilled labor to be able to program and operate the equipment. We had one programming robot operator that ran 2 different robots. He was able to keep up with our manufacturing, the amount of only one person doing it and the amount of time that it took to put the product on the Motoman robots. The programming time saved on a Hyrobotic versus a Motoman is substantial, just the amount of time invested in programming the product.
We always knew automation was going to be the way. Doing things manually is expensive. I think automating that process really lowers your cost. Automation was kind of a no-brainer, especially when we're struggling to hire nowadays. So automation's an easy answer. And to have automation that is so user-friendly makes this an easy decision for us.